So I have already filled my eyebrows, and for primer I went ahead and used Evio primer. This is like the moisturizing primer. Since winters are arriving in Canada, so my skin started drying, so that's why I used moisturizing primer. Now I'm gonna use foundation, and for foundation I'm gonna use NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is like my current favorite foundation. So I did take one pump of it, and with the Miracle sponge I'm just gonna blend it. I wanted like medium to sheer sort of a coverage, like sheer to medium sort of a coverage. So I did apply way less and blended way well. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 25. Now my base is all good. I'm gonna set my base using my Kat Von D translucent powder. Now for my blush, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Color Show blush in the shade Peachy Sweetie, and I'm gonna use the same fluffy brush. My outfit has like a pink work, so I want like that pink glow. And for my highlighter, I'm gonna use the Star Island by Ofra. Now I have recently learned that if you use angled brush for your highlight, it gives like a precision to apply. So I don't have any fan brush or any specific brush for highlighter. I just use angled eyeshadow brush for my highlighter. Now for contouring and eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Live to Inspire eyeshadow palette. And for contouring, I'm gonna use this shade, which I use it all the time. And now comes my favorite part, eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the same palette. I'm going to take this color, which I always use for my base. So I'm just gonna give like a good base to my eye. And for my outer corners, I'm gonna use this brown color. And it looks beautiful. I am gonna deepen up using like this brown and black color. I'm gonna mix these two shades and see how it goes. I want like a really deep smoky crease. So I'm just placing the color, blending it, and then moving it towards my inner corner, like towards my eye. So that's how it's going, and it's beautifully going. See, you can see the difference between both the eyes. It looks amazing. Now I have pink in my outfit and I want really something nice, like a pop of pink in my eyes. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this neon pink sort of a color and apply it all over my lid. I know it's like a matte color, but I want to do something different, so I don't mind that. It's brushed, picked up beautifully, and it's like fluffy eyeshadow brush, and it's like flat in shape, and it's my favorite brush. Can you see the color? It's looking amazing. Now I'm going to take these two shades and just do my lower lash line quickly. It got mixed with pink, but I don't mind that. I'm going to take the same brush and see if there are any harsh edges, so I'll blend it with that. Now I'm going to take the base shade and just mix everything, blend everything. And for my inner corner, I'm gonna use this baby pink shimmer shade. Now I'm gonna line my eyes and do mascara, and for my eyeliner I'm gonna use my Arnive eyeliner, and for mascara I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Bombshell Volume Mascara, and it has like voluming and lengthening side. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara quickly. And this is like a brown mascara. I use brown mascara very rarely, but today I was like, oh, okay, let's try. I'm just gonna use one side of it. Anyways, I'm gonna apply falsies. So for my falsies, I'm gonna use the Real Tasty Lashes, and this is in the variant Angel Delight. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it off camera and then come back. So I am wearing all my jewelry. I'm wearing nuts today. I did my lipstick, and for lipstick I went ahead and used a raspberry pink shade from Unique to You color. This is like nude sort of a pink color, and it's sheer. So I topped it off with Greatness from Creole Rouge. This is like a dark purple color, but I just applied like little bit and mixed. So this is like my lipstick shade, like lipstick combination. I did like a simple hairdo. I'm wearing all my jewelry, and now I'm gonna do interesting part, which I do it all the time. And I'm gonna take my eyeliner and just do dots over here. Also, I did apply lashes. I know some people will find it bold, but I was so sure that I wanna do bold looks. If you wanna watch simple wearable looks, then I will link it in the description box. And I'm gonna wear my dupatta, and for my dupatta I have like a pink and orange leria dupatta, and this is my final look. My ghagra is also like pink and black, and I have like sort of work over here, like kachi embroidery. So now I'm all set to play garba. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this look. If you find it too bold, let me know. And I have done simple looks in my beginning days of 9-day 9 looks. So I will link it in the description box. Go check it out, and more amazing different looks are coming. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn the bell on so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. Follow me on Instagram, and take care. Bye.